Hey guys, if you guys missed it, I had actually done a giveaway about a month ago. I had said I wanted to announce the winner within 2 weeks of posting that video. Unfortunately, not many people signed up, or rather properly entered the giveaway, so this is just a reminder now to make sure you enter. I want this to be fair, and there's no purchase necessary at all. If you're not sure if your phone or device supports wireless charging, I've put some of the commonly used phones up here on the screen. So if you have one of these phones or newer, you most likely have wireless charging and you definitely could benefit from this device. I have partnered with the brand Rygen, who make wireless charging pads and stands like this one to provide you guys a chance to win one of two of their wireless charging stands here, and you get to choose which color you want, either this charcoal black, the one I reviewed, or this light gray color. So it's up to you if you win. Make sure you do follow the steps on the screen here so I'm able to contact you if you are chosen to be the winner. And there are opportunities to have extra entries to improve your chances of winning, also listed here on the screen right now. Any questions, you can just leave it in the comment section down below and I can address it. If you're interested in more details on this particular wireless charging stand, again, I did a full review video on it. I'll put the link as a thumbnail at the end of this video. So good luck, and definitely look forward to more giveaways like this on my channel, so make sure you are subscribed.